In this video, you'll learn how to add Calendly to your Systeme.io website. This process involves several steps, from obtaining your Calendly embed code to integrating it into your Systeme.io site. Begin by navigating to calendly.com in your web browser. Once the page loads, you will be greeted with the Calendly dashboard where you can manage your events and scheduling preferences. Next, locate the event you want to add to your website. Click on the event to open its details. In the event details view, look for 3 vertical dots, usually found in the upper right corner of the event box. Click on these dots to reveal more options. After that, select the option for Add to Website. This action will take you to a new screen where you can choose how to embed your Calendly event. Click on the option labeled Inline Embed to continue with the integration process. Once you select Inline Embed, you will see further instructions and options. Follow the prompts to customize your embed settings, then click on Continue. This will generate the HTML code necessary for embedding your Calendly event. Now, copy the provided code to your clipboard. Ensure that you have the code ready, as you will need to paste it into your Systeme.io website shortly. Proceed by navigating to Systeme.io. You can do this by entering the URL in your browser. Once the homepage loads, look for the dashboard that displays your projects and settings. Next, click on the Sites option located in the left sidebar. This will direct you to the section where you manage your websites and pages within Systeme.io. After that, click on Websites to view a list of your created websites. You will see a list of all the sites you have established through Systeme. Then find the website where you wish to add the Calendly integration. Click on the 3 dots next to the site name. This will open a context menu with additional options. From the menu, click on View to access the editing interface for your site. Once the editing page loads, you will be able to make changes to your website's content. Now, look for the X icon, which allows you to exit any current editing mode. Click on this icon to prepare for adding new elements to your website. Once you exit, navigate to the Elements section on the left sidebar. This section contains various components you can add to your site. Next, locate and click on Raw HTML from the list of available elements. This option allows you to insert custom HTML code directly into your website. After selecting Raw HTML, you will be prompted to drag this element to the desired location on your website, position it appropriately where you want the Calendly event to appear. Then click on the raw HTML element you just placed on your website. This action will enable you to edit the content of the HTML element. Next, click on Edit Code to open the code editor for this HTML element. You will now be able to input the code you copied from Calendly. Now, paste the embed code you copied earlier into the code editor. Make sure the code is correctly placed, as this will determine how the Calendly event appears on your site. After pasting the code, look for the Save button, typically located at the top right of the screen. Clicking this button will save your changes to the website. Finally, click on Exit to leave the editing mode. This action will take you back to the main dashboard of your Systeme.io account, where you can review the changes made.